Welcome to AMEE. This screencast will show you how AMEE Explorer can be used to learn about the scope and rich functionality of the AMEE platform for the purpose of making greenhouse gas emissions calculations. AMEE provides a wealth of data and calculation methodologies. In total, there are over 8 million data items in the AMEE platform, including emission factors, calculation methodologies, life cycle analysis data, benchmarking data, and other environmental factors. AMEE Explorer allows you to search and sort this data to find the items of interest. AMEE Explorer also contains rich functionality for exploring the data, such as time series graphs, online calculators, and links to the source material. Note that some of this functionality requires you to be logged into your AMEE account. To get started, enter some keywords in the AMEE Explorer search box. Let's try fuel combustion. This brings up the stationary combustion greenhouse gas methodology page. AMEE Explorer provides several pieces of information about this methodology. For example, here is a description of the reliability or authority of the data. Stationary combustion has been assigned the enterprise authority, meaning that it comes from a reputable source and has passed AMEE's quality assurance checks. For more information on authority levels, click the authority link. Here is a link to the source of the data, in this case the Greenhouse Gas Protocol website. Also found here is a list of tags associated with this page, which can be used for browsing similar pages, and a link to any standards that this page belongs to. There is also a list of links to related AMEE pages which may be of interest to you. The main body of the page contains a description of the data and how it should be used. More detailed information can then be found in the individual tabs at the top of the page. The Gallery tab gives a quick overview of the data in graphical form. This is particularly useful for comparing emission factors across, in this case, different fuels. The detailed data for each fuel can be seen using the Data Items tab, which shows the full details of the data held in AMEE. To perform calculations using AMEE data, go to the Calculations tab. Here you can choose which data you're interested in. For example, the commercial use of motor gasoline. You then enter your activity data, in this case, the energy used. You can enter data in a number of different units selected from the drop-down menu. In this case, you can also enter optional values to perform a more precise calculation. The results given show you the emissions from methane, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and the combination of these as carbon dioxide equivalent. AMEE supports many different standards and methodologies. To find out more about a particular standard or methodology, view its page in AMEE Explorer, like this one for the Greenhouse Gas Protocol. Here we have an explanation of the methodology, where it comes from, and in what circumstances it can be used. Also included on this page, under the Pages in this Standard tab, is a complete list of all Greenhouse Gas Protocol sourced categories within AMEE. AMEE Explorer allows you to search exclusively within a given standard. Having read up on this particular methodology, you may be interested in which others are supported in AMEE. The Methodologies page lists and explains all the major methodologies that AMEE contains. AMEE is careful to make the distinctions between various types of standards. Datasets are those that just specify data. Methodologies specify how data should be used in calculations, and reporting frameworks specify how results should be presented and attributed within and across the reporting organization. Clicking on the Standards page, we can find an explanation of each of these terms and what they mean within the AMEE platform. This tour is just a small introduction into the wealth of information available to you through AMEE Explorer. Thank you for listening, and we hope that you enjoy exploring the world of greenhouse gas reporting with AMEE.